with Cash Paymaster Services.
This has happened before. This time around, though, they're only seeking relief for 2.5 million people who receive their grants in cash. The CPS contract that has previously been declared unlawful expires at the end of the month. Now, Sassa wants a 6-month extension again from the Constitutional Court on the deadline to terminate that CPS contract.
4 years on, and the Social Security Agency is yet again trying to force the hand of justice. In 2014, the Constitutional Court declared unlawful the Sassa contract with Cash Paymaster Services, who's been distributing social grants to nearly 17 million beneficiaries every month. The agency has since failed to adhere to the court's ruling, and this is not sitting well with the Chief Justice.
The court is still being approached after so many years of saying this is unlawful. And unlawfulness continues to be perpetuated while we are watching. It's very sad for anybody charged with this sensitive and enormous responsibility. It's like we are being laughed at by Sassa and CPS.
But Sassa is adamant that currently there is no one that can step in and provide the infrastructure and safety for those who get cash payments.
In terms of the agreement entered into on the 8th of December with the South African Post Office, just under 6 million people will migrate into the new system to be administered by the Post Office. That leaves aside 2.8 million people who collect their social grants at pay stations spread out throughout the 9 provinces. From 8th of December up until the launching of this application, the uncertainty exists over how payments will be made to the 2.8 million people.
By its own admission, Sassa had been aware of the problem since December last year, but the agency only filed papers with the Constitutional Court 2 months later, a move the court likened to blackmail.
It is a cause for concern that Sassa comes to this court almost like to blackmail this court that if it is not given an extension, then more than 2 million grant beneficiaries will suffer.
No one opposed the Sassa application for the 6-month extension, but civil society group The Black Sash has requested that the court continues its supervisory role in the matter. The ConCourt has reserved judgment. Mahlako Komane, SABC News, Johannesburg.